Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. Now I'm gonna show you all you need to know about I.Dynamic, so intelligent dynamic range control on Panasonic GH5. So, as you can see, this is just normal intelligent dynamic range control. So this feature on this camera adjusts the camera's dynamic range in real time to optimize the exposure for both shadows and highlights. So here is what each, for example, option mean. Here is off, disable, low. Of course, these settings low, standard and high. So these settings adjust the level of dynamic range, and auto allows the camera to automatically adjust the dynamic range based on the scene's brightness and contrast. It's a convenient option if you want the camera to handle dynamic range adjustment without manual intervention. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video and bye.